I am Patrice Shaw Brunson from the Whitehaven Branch Library, and I come to read Kind Ninja by Mary Lynn during our Storytime hour. And this ninja is about being kind to one another. Kind Ninja loved being caring and passionate. That's what kind is about. But it was not always like this. No, Kind Ninja used to not know any better. It used to be more about me, me, me. When Mom was bringing in the grocery, Kind Ninja couldn't wait to get his snack and play on his phone, but left Mommy looking sad. On the way to school, Kind Ninja never thought to share his umbrella. Left his friends looking sad. Oh. Heading into church, Kind Ninja would rush in to grab donuts instead of holding the door open for others or waiting his turn. He just knocked the person out of the way, just run into the donuts. Wow. But that all changed one day during class. Anxious Ninja had worked on his science project for weeks. When it was his turn to present to the class, he dropped his entire volcano presentation. Everyone started pointing and laughing except Kind Ninja. See, this made Kind Ninja sad, while the others was teasing and making fun of him. Kind Ninja could feel Anxious Ninja pain and embarrassment. He knew how hard it was to get that science project done. And Anxious Ninja project looked so cool. He remembered his mother telling him that acts of kindness, both big and small, can make a difference. Maybe Mom was right. Maybe I can make a difference. At school, Kind Ninja chose to sit with Shy Ninja, who was sitting alone. See, that's Shy Ninja. During recess, when Anxious Ninja wasn't picked for a team, Kind Ninja insisted Anxious Ninja be on his team. After school, when all the kids was rushing out the door, Kind Ninja patiently held the door open for Miss Payne. See, he thought about her this time. He didn't push her out the way this time. And he shared his umbrella when it rained. How nice. At home, Kind Ninja helped to bring in the groceries. Brought in the mail to his mother. And grabbed a Band-Aid for his sister when she scraped her knees. Kind Ninja also said thank you and please much more often. Thank you, please. While many other ninjas were asleep on Saturday morning, Kind Ninja volunteered his time at the animal shelter. His duty was to hold the animals and love on them. But it didn't feel like a job because he enjoyed it so much. Kind Ninja felt lucky to be able to give love and kindness. He liked how being kind made him feel all warm and fuzzy inside. And the dog loved it too. Simple act of kindness, both big and small, could become your secret weapon against this cruelty in the world.